Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to book flight tickets online from Emirates. So let's get started. So first of all, you open up the website emirates.com, and after that, you're gonna scroll down in the search flights, and in here you're gonna select the departure airport and the arrival one. So let's say, for example, we're in Cairo and we wanted to go, for example, to Adelaide. And when you press here, you can select if you wanted to make it like a one-way travel or you wanted to add a return time as well. And in here you have the passengers option. If you wanted to add more, you can just select here. If you have a child, you can also select. And in here you can select the class that you want. For example, first class, the economy class, and everything. And after that, you're just gonna press on search flights. And after that, this page is gonna load, and you're just gonna scroll down and select the time that suits you and the price that suits you as well. So let's say, for example, you wanted to go with this one. Just gonna press on here, and then you're gonna press on Flex or Flex Plus. Let's say we just wanted to make the Flex, so just gonna press on Select, and after that you're gonna press on Continue to Passengers. And in here you're just gonna fill in your name and your last name, and you're just gonna press on Save and Next. And after that you're gonna see all the guidance within the website to the payment, and also to confirm everything with you. So yeah, that was the video for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next video. Cheers.